And we can rewrite a Smith.
So if you took one, please put it back.
I'm approximately 40 kilometers due west of you. I should reach you by nightfall.
Turn the engine and slide it all the way down. Watch out, watch your step. Who's the last one of this group?
Alrighty, friends, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise on Disneyland. All beers, Refurb, Morrison, just a couple reminders before we get too far into the jungle. Please remain seated at all times, keeping all hands, arms, feet left inside the boat. Parents, please supervise your children. Children, please supervise your parents. Sometimes they are words. Now, if you notice, we just entered into the Amazon rainforest where it rains 365 days. That's almost every year. Now, if you take a look to your right-hand side, we have just uncovered the first site of our tour. It's going to be the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where world-famous archaeologist Indiana Jones searches for the world's greatest treasure. No, honestly, I don't know why you're searching all the way in there. Clearly, I'm right here. Now, if you take a look to your left-hand side, you have a Himalayan tiger. Now, sometimes Himalayan over here, sometimes Himalayan over there. Right now, him is standing. Over here, we have king cobras. Now, king cobras, they're said to be some of the deadliest snakes in the world. And fun fact, they often travel in packs of 4. You can even count them there. We got 1, 2, 3. I'm sure that won't come back to bite us. Moving on. Oh, we have just entered into the ancient Indian elephant bathing pool. Can I get an ooh? Can I get an Alrighty, it looks like the whole herd's here today. That's quite unheard of. Go ahead and take as many photos as you'd like, friends. They do have their chunks on. Now, straight ahead, we have our friend Bertha. Now, Bertha's a drinking sample, so I don't believe it's not too long. She turned into an elephant. That almost happened to one. I'm kidding. I don't shower. Alrighty, friends, and now here's our friend Breuer. I wonder why they call him that. Oh, no. Everyone, get down. Just kidding. Just a little dry humor for you. Here on the Jungle Cruise, we wouldn't put you in any danger. Now, as we move along, we are entering into gorilla territory. We have gorillas dancing. We have gorillas sleeping. Ooh, we have gorillas with dogs. Oh, I think we never called the shop right here. We have the doctors right over the camp. It's open. One is down, off the balloon. Now, if you take a look to your left-hand side, we do have bamboo. Now, bamboo is said to grow 6 stories tall. Some say 7. That's a whole other story. Now, if you look straight ahead, you see something beautiful. Some might say something breathtaking. If you look past me, you'll see Schweitzer Falls, founded by Dr. Albert Falls, which we'll be going over a bit later. but I've been told I have quite the memory. Look to your right-hand side, we have our first sighting of an African bull elephant. Now, they're going to talk to the floor. There's a great memory. I've been told I have a great memory myself. And as we move ahead, here we are entering into the African belt. Now, the African belt is going to be known for its wide variety of wildlife. If you look straight ahead, we have giraffes, gazelles, zebras, the lions. Oh, but you look at that, the lions are taking care of obviously sleeping. That's how they sleep, with their eyes wide open and full of fear. Let's let it rest. Now if you look over here at the bottom, that's the first village. Now today was actually the very first day. So let this be a lesson to us all. Don't get into an argument with a rhino. Yeah, they always get their point across to the end. But now we find ourselves entering into the hippo pool. Now, fun fact, these very same hippos took 6 months last week, but only 5 of them were mine. Let's see if we can make it through today. Don't cover your ears, friends. Oh, I got that one in the tree. For all of my animal lovers out there, don't you fret. That animal, like my mind, blank. You know, friends, oftentimes my mother tells me, skip or dam, your job is silly. Even a monkey can do it. I don't know where they get that idea from, and honestly, I think it's a little rude of me, so. And wouldn't you know it, some of them are actually chimpanzees. Yeah, I tell you the difference there. It's a long tail. Now, if you take a look to your left-hand side, we have the jungle's oldest lovebirds. That's right. They still give each other butterflies. Aww. Truly, nothing bugs them. But now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the most magnificent, the most stupendous, the 8th wonder of the world, ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water! Woo! Oh, 2, 6, oh, 2, 8, oh. Yeah, and now for the equally exciting 9th wonder of the world, the front side of rock! Woo! Rock chemicals! Rock chemicals! Thought it would work better the second time. I don't know what to tell you, friends. I find it quite marvelous. A lot of different these days. I take it for granted. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm a little too sentimental. As we carry on, can anyone here tell me the difference between a boa and a python? No feathers. So straight ahead, we obviously have a python sitting in a tree. What do I see up ahead? Here as we are closing our journey, we have just entered the Trader Sam's gift shop. Go ahead, take a look, take a gander. You wonder why it says lost and found at the top? Well, our treasures and adventures before you and found our amazing deals at rock bottom prices. You look at that top corner, that monkey's going for a record. Straight ahead, there's a deal on that wheel. It'll never steer you wrong. You see our friend with the camera, you might think we actually pay him. No, he gets paid in exposure. As we pass our friend Ellie, you might think that's water coming out of her nose. It's not. Alrighty. Go ahead and stay seated, keeping all hands on like inside the boat. The torture is almost over. Alrighty, watch your hands. Okay, friends, you have truly outstanding, and in just a moment underneath you. Outstanding on that dog.